Sanibonani bafethu. So namhlanje kuney'ndaba ey'phumile. Kuney'ndaba ey'phumile namhlanje lapha ka-X, formerly known as Twitter. So Bloemfontein Celtic released a statement. They released the statement. In the statement, there were good news. I don't wanna lie. In the statement, there were good news. So in the statement, they are saying they've withdrew their participation in the ABC Multiple League. If you remember, in 2021, they sold their status to Royal AM. Sean Mkhize bought the status of Bloemfontein Celtic back in August 2021. I think the status costed around 50 million. Those who know, they know the status costed around 50 million. So today, they released the statement because they were playing in ABC Multiple League. By playing back in ABC Multiple League, they were trying to regain their status by winning on all those ranks to come back to PSL. But now they released this statement that they are withdrawing participating in ABC Multiple League. What they are trying to do is they want to take their name and trademarks. You see, they want to return to PSL. But these are the news. This is an issue because we don't know what team they will try to buy, what status they will try to buy. Because if you remember, quite honestly, Rally M currently inenkinga. Rally M inenkinga. If Rally M inenkinga, does that mean they will buy the status of Raleigh M in Bloemfontein Celtic? Because we know that they bought their status from Bloemfontein Celtic. Are they going to resell their status back to Bloemfontein Celtic? We don't know actually. That's the thing. But the statement states that they want to return to the biggest league in Africa, which is PSL. Bloemfontein Celtic was one of those teams that was rich in football culture. They had one of the best supporters in South Africa. In this league, actually, they have one of the best. They still supported the team when it was playing in ABC Multiple League. They still showed up in numbers supporting the team. That shows you that they love this team. They love this club. Everyone knows Saddam. Saddam is one of the fans that we always see in stadiums wearing green and white hats or towel. Angazi noma ithawula yini leliya elifaka ikhanda Saddam. You see, you all know that guy. He's one of the biggest supporters of Bloemfontein Celtic. I'm sure this news will make him happy. Wherever he is right now, he's happy to hear this news about Bloemfontein Celtic returning to PSL, you see. So I'm happy to hear this news. I don't want to lie. I'm happy.